Their links. Karon, for sure, you're gonna love. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and this is Kissy, and now I am here to do a tag video. And I know sobrang tagal ko na hindi nakagawa ng tag because of I was missing in action for a couple of months. And TMI, I love to watch tag videos because it will help me also to know the person that I watched a little bit deeper. So that's why I love to watch tag videos. And I am so thankful that two of my lovely kapatid, My Angels Vlogs and Pinay New Yorker, tagged me with the random questions tag. I love all their answers so much, and they're my favorites vloggers because they're so true and makikita mo talagang mabuti silang mga tao. So, I'm gonna put all their links on the description box down below so you can check them out, and please do subscribe to their channel because I know you're gonna love them as much as I do. So yeah, I know na alam nyo na kung anong tag ito kasi nandyan sa baba yung title. This is Random Questions tag. So what are we waiting for? What are we waiting for? Let's get started. The first question is, when you're leaving the house, what is the thing you can't live without? The thing that I can't live without is my bag. Kung aalis ako na walang bag, I feel like I'm naked. Number two. When was the last time you cried? The last time I cried is nung inatake yung dad ko, na stroke siya. And then, at first, when my sister called me that na nasa hospital sila kasi inatake yung dad ko, so, inano ko yung sarili ko na maging calm. So, hindi pa ako masyadong emotional. But, nung kailangan na siya magpa-laboratory exams, yung mga ganon, sobrang ang dami ng gumulo ng utak ko. And then, nagkausap kami ni baby boy that time. Parang sabi niya is parang may problema ka. And then, hindi ko talaga inopen until na parang nakikita ko na nasasad din siya na I'm sad. So, I shared it to him. And then, yun, nilabas ko lahat, iniyak ko lahat. And also, the way, I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you so much sa mga lahat ng prayers nyo, sa mga kapatid ko na shinaran ko about that problem. Maraming salamat sa pagkikinig at sa prayers. Thank you so much. And alam nyo, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Number 3. What will you say to your ex? No, mabait ako. Sure lang, mabait. No, we're in good terms ata. Kasi, ewan ko, hindi ko alam. We're still communicating when it comes sa mga bata. So, yun lang yung talagang nagko-communicate kami. But, kung ipupush nyo talaga ako na meron talaga akong sasabihin sa kanya, I would like to say thank you. Thank you for giving me 2 beautiful angels na sobrang mahal ko. And thank you because of what happened to us. Nandito ako sa lugar na masaya ako with someone na masasabi kong matagal ko nang hinintay na tao. And I'm with someone na nagbibigay sa akin ng love and time, even though he's busy. Nagbigay ng mga bagay na gusto ko, na kailangan ko, which is love and time na hindi mo kayang ibigay. So, thank you so much because I am happy right now and I'm so blooming. So, yun. Maraming salamat! What is the best memories that give you smile when you reminisce? Sobrang dami. Mabilis akong makaisip ng mga something na nakakatawa. Yung mga nangyayaring katatawanan with the kids, yung mga with my family, lalo na kasama kami kumain, kompleto, sobra. And yung mga ginagawa ng mga friends ko pag nag-iinuman kami, and then the next day, parang maiisip ko yung mga sinasabi nila, yung mga ginagawa nila. Yun, mabilis akong mapasmile na tao. Number 5, what is your recent obsession? My recent obsession is watching football, which is so new to me kasi I'm not a fan of football before. I'm a fan of basketball. Pero ngayon, sobrang I love it kasi siya din yung nag-introduce sa akin ng football. And then, I am obsessed checking Pinterest with fashion kasi gusto ko talaga yung may makikita kong parehas sa damit ko, and then I'm gonna wear it kung anong style, yung ganun. And I'm obsessed right now with supermodels. Yun lang. 6. What is your greatest fear? I guess the same with my Angels Vlogs and Pinay New Yorker. Lahat naman siguro tayo, our greatest fear is losing our special someone. So yun yung greatest fear ko. Which is, sinasabi natin na we need to be ready, something like that. Pero hindi naman talaga madali na tanggapin na lang bigla na hindi mo na makakasama yung mga special someone sa buhay mo, diba? Number 7. What is your zodiac sign? Taurus. Yes, I'm Taurus. Number 8. Something you're thankful for. I am thankful for, even though na nagka-baby ako na 19 years old, sobrang young ko pa, young at heart. Thankful ako kasi meron akong 2 angels, and then because of that, sobrang nag-change yung pananaw ko sa world. Yun. Sobrang thankful ko. I'm thankful also na okay lahat yung family ko, and I'm thankful also that I am in love right now and happy. Yes! 9. Last person you wanted to hit in the face. Wala. Ayoko masaktan yung kamay ko. Ayoko. Wala. Kahit maiinis ako or galit ako, ayoko. Mas bet kong chumika na lang. Diba? Yun. Then, if you could bring back the time, what would you change? Parang gusto kong wala akong i-change. Kasi, di ba, meron din naman akong na-learn na sa lahat ng mga nangyari sa buhay ko. Pero kung pipilitin nyo talaga ako na meron akong i-change, it would be, sana naging mabuti na lang yung dad ko before, na parang hindi sila parating nag-aaway ng mom ko, para naman kompleto sana kami ngayon, hindi kami broken family. Pero, yun, I'm still thankful na kahit broken family kami is bumibisita din naman yung dad ko dito sa amin. So, okay lang din naman. Pero, iba din talaga yung complete family. Diba? Number 11. Who has made the largest impact on your life? That would be my mom. Lalo na ngayon, sobrang naintindihan ko na yung mga ginagawa niya. Why sometimes she's so strict, sometimes she's so jolly, kasabay niya sa amin. Parang sobrang laki ng impact niya kasi ginawa niya lahat for us hanggang ngayon. Tinutulungan niya kami ng sister ko, and hindi niya kami iniwan at pinabayaan. So, yun, yung mom ko. So, next is number 12. When you were a little, what did you want to be when you grow up? When I was a little, nung grade school ako, di ba may question na ambition? Yung sinusulat ko talaga cashier. Ambition ko talaga cashier. Ewan ko, sobrang nasasayahan ako noon na pagdadaan yung mga binili mo, tapos ilalagay sa cellophane, yung ganon, tapos lalabas yung Magbabayad ka na, tapos may change, biglang o-open yung kaha nila. Parang, sobrang saya yun. Akala ko nga merong course ng cashier noon. Bombelli! So yun, akala ko talaga, gusto ko talaga maging cashier noon. Number 13, what was your most embarrassing moment? Nung bata ako, marami talaga ako embarrassing moments. Pero, ngayon, hindi ko ma-remember. Pero kung meron man, hindi ko talaga i-share. Kasi nakakahiya. Oh my God, hindi ko kaya. Number 14, random fact about yourself. Random fact about myself is that I can't live. Mamamatay ako kung wala ang mosquito net sa buhay ko. Pag wala siya sa paa ko, hindi ko kaya. Hindi ako makakatulog, basta hindi ko kaya mawala mosquito net sa buhay ko. Hanggang ngayon, kahit nag-film ako, nasa paa ko, mosquito net. Random facts about me. Pag hindi ako nakapagkape, sobrang tahimik pa ako. Then, after maka-coffee na ako, bam! Alive na! Alive forevermore. This question is, as your age right now, what is the greatest lesson you've learned about life? Everyone can be your friend, but only few can be your true friends. Yun yung na-learn ko. As of the moment, everyone are my friends, but only few are my real friends. Lalo na pag may nangyari or may problema ako, dun ko talaga malalaman who are my real friends. Yun. So, and then, I learned also that if you have a problem, kung meron kang pinagdadaanan, don't keep it to yourself. Share it to people na pinagkakatiwalaan mo, na alam mong makikinig sa'yo. Kasi pag hindi, pag aakuin mo lang talaga yung problema, kasi magkaka-depression, yung mga ganun, mapagdaanan mo talaga yan. And it's not good. Hindi siya healthy sa sarili mo. Yet, dapat din, kasi sasabihin mo din yan, I feel so alone, I'm a loner, something like that. Hindi naman yung mga tao around you ang nagpa-feel sa'yo na alone ka. Ikaw mismo ang gumawa niyan sa sarili mo. Kasi inako mo lahat, ayaw mong mag-share, ayaw mong, so yun, ikaw yung sa self mo na ma-alone ka. So, I've been there also. Tinago ko yung mga problema ko. Tinago ko lahat. Pero, ang sakit. Sobrang sakit. Parang sinaksak mo lalo yung sarili mo. Aminin mo din na kailangan mo din talaga ng tulong or mapalabasan ng problema. And then, third is, I've learned that if you're from a broken heart, fix mo yung sarili mo. Ikaw mismo yung mag-fix ng sarili mo. Hindi yung nasa stage ka pa ng moving on, stage ka pa ng pag-fix ng heart mo. Then, ipapasa mo siya or iasa mo sa taong nagmamahal sa'yo. Parang rebound, hindi siya mabuti. Kasi yung dapat kang mag-guilty kasi yung taong yun, buo kang minahal, buo yung nararamdaman sa'yo. But ikaw you're still broken. So, yun. Dapat talaga, when you're going to another relationship, buuhin mo muna yung sarili mo. Diba? Para yung tao na next na mamahalin mo, buo ka, buo yung pagmamahal mo sa kanya, buo lahat. Let yourself be happy, let yourself enjoy life, and love yourself. So, yeah, that's it for this tag. That's all the 15 questions. And sana nag-enjoy kayong manood sa akin na nagsasalita ng bonggang-bongga. Pero sana hindi kayo na-bored. And put all the names down below sa mga itatag ko. And sana gawin nyo tong tag na to because I want to know more about you. So, thank you everyone for watching and I'll speak to you soon. Okay? Goodbye. Love you. Mwah.